Okay, so this is a review for the 3 image stack project. This one, again, is a little weird and warped, but again, it's meant to get you to use the tools. So for this one, you're going to take 3 images, stack them on top of each other. The image needs to show evidence that you selected a dog. Then you also need to select the face and then warp it over the dog, and then also put a blending mode on it. And then you need to get a piece of text and then put a blend mode on it of dissolve and put it to at least 50% opacity. So it actually breaks it up. So to start with, if you go to week 8, come down to Wednesday, download the face, the quote, and dogs. And then once you've done that, go to Photopea. Start with new project. This one we're going to call free photo 5x7. Change the DPI to 150 and then go create. So now I need to bring over a dog. So I need to go File, Open. In my downloads, find the dogs. Select the dog of your choice. You can either use the marquee tool or you can use the polygonal lasso. I prefer the marquee. So I'm going to grab a dog. Then I'm going to go Edit, Copy. And then I'm going to click on, in my little sub menus, go back to 3. Now I'm going to go Edit, Paste. Then I'm going to go Edit, Free Transform. So this time I'm bringing over an image. And I'm not opening it and placing it. I am literally copying and pasting it in. So this one's coming over as pixels. So again, once I free transform it, I hit Enter. So there is the dog. So now I'm going to go File, Open. I'm going to grab the face. So I want the face. There are 2 ways you can do this. One, you can come to the magic wand, click on the background, go Select, Inverse, and then it grabs the face. That's option 1. Option 2, quick select. Make sure your painting tool is at least a decent size, say like 15 to 20. Also, make sure your hardness is at 100%. That way, when you click, it's going to look and kind of paint it until it hits an edge, and that edge will be the white surface, so it'll select the face. Then all I got to do is go Edit, Copy. Go back to the 3, Edit, Paste. There's the head. So now I'm going to go Edit, and I'm going to go Free Transform just to rotate it. Kind of scale it up a little bit. Then to make sure I can kind of see it, I am going to put the dark in so I can kind of see both the dog's head and his head. And now I'm going to go Edit, Transform, and I'm going to come to Warp. Again, you have these little points. Again, you can move and it'll stretch the image. So I'm going to try and move them to bring it up to the eyes. And then I'm going to like stretch down on the chin. Get it kind of where I want it. Again, you can bring out the face if you want. Each time you are going to move these is going to move other ones. You may have to adjust a little bit after you are done each little move. Once you kind of get it where you want it, enter. If you don't like the neck, you can come over here to the eraser tool and erase it out. If you want to try a different blending option, you can. Some of them are more disturbing than others. But choose one you like. Now I need to get text. So I'm going to go File, Open. Grab the text, open it up. Select a piece of text. The piece of text you select is up to you. The example, I use the secret. And to do that, I use the marquee tool. Went over secret. Copied. Pasted. So then I have just that little word in a white box. I don't want the white box. So I am going to come to the quick select, and quick selections, there we go, and go to Magic Wand. Click on the white, and then hit backspace. There's a little extra in the R. And then I'm going to deselect. Then as long as I take the marquee tool now and go over it again, and then go edit copy, and come back to my 3, edit paste. It should have brought over just the letters. And now I can go free transform. I can make it as big as I want to. If you want to run it upside down, you can rotate it. And then the last thing to do is turn this to dissolve and then lower the opacity to at least like 50. And then File, Export as JPEG. And that is the project.